Introducing the LayerZero eSTS, a 1600 amp 4-pole static transfer switch built for high reliability, mission-critical power.
The eSTS by LayerZero Power Systems enables ultra-fast transfers between independent power sources, including the neutral.
LayerZero's sectionalized design simplifies maintenance, allowing for full service without shutting down your system.
Inspired by NFPA 70E, the LayerZero eSTS is built for maximum worker safety.
When the unit energizes, there is no need to open the inner dead front door.
LayerZero captures every event with time-stamped waveform snapshots and ITIC plots.
The 15-inch LayerZero touchscreen delivers intuitive control at the point of impact.
Compact and front accessible, the LayerZero eSTS is optimized for tight data center layouts.
When uptime and safety matter, LayerZero delivers. Boost safety, maximize uptime, and increase operational confidence with the LayerZero eSTS.
Learn more at layerzero.com.